Hey, how's it going?
How's everything?
All right. I always try to stop and talk to a fellow window cleaner like myself.
Okay. What's been going on?
Nothing. What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Edward.
Edward?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Edward. I'm Marcus.
Okay. How you been?
Good. How long you been doing this?
Well,
Really?
20 years.
Really?
Yeah.
I got 20, almost 25 years.
Okay.
I'm on my 25th year. I used to hang from the buildings, believe it or not.
Okay.
But I was old school like yourself. Now I'm on a different level, but
You work
I wanna show you, huh?
you work for somebody?
No, I work for myself.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
But you work for somebody?
Nah, the two of us.
Oh, okay.
He
Couple.
had his business, I have mine, but I help him out once in a while.
Yeah, y'all doing your own thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's what it's about.
Yeah.
Cause we ain't no spring chicken no more. I don't know how old you are, but we're not getting any younger.
Nah, I'll be
So-
63 coming up.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I hope well, they probably have to bury me with these squeegees. You know, they be looking over. That guy sure could clean some windows. But I actually enjoy this. This is almost like therapeutic
Well,
for
I
me.
do it because I want to get out the house,
Right?
and so I don't have to worry about hearing nobody's mouth. Do it when I want to do it.
Yeah?
Get up in the morning, get it done. Get all my contract done and get it out the way.
I'm gonna show you something. Something that'll blow your mind that you've never seen before. What's up? He knows. He remembers me. But you ain't seen what I've been working with since the last time you saw me.
What was that, on 22nd Street?
Yeah.
Well, I didn't see you in a while.
Yeah, you haven't seen me in a while. Corona got me all messed up. Corona. But look, this is my bucket now, right? It's on my back. So, yeah. That's not the best part though. Let's show you the best part. Feel how light this pole is.
Okay.
Feel how light this pole is. This is carbon fiber, right? But check this out. This gets even. This is where it's gonna blow your mind.
Oh, I see water. Looks like a doctor window washer.
Open all that one time.
It's clean.
Open all that one time.
It's cleaning the window as you're putting the water on. Got another squeegee I can show you, just like that one. And it pumps water out of it.
Wow.
Yeah. You like that? Inspector Gadget.
Damn. Inspector window one.
Yeah, but you talk about cutting your time down, man, you would bust this out in no time. You see, it ain't nobody dipping the mop in the bucket, no nothing.
No, man.
You know?
That's actually really useful. That's actually really useful.
Yeah, it's good for the inner city window cleaner. Where you got to do a lot of walking. You'd be surprised how many windows you can clean. I can clean over 300 or 400 windows. Oh, thanks. 300 or 400 windows before I need to get a refill.
Wow. That's awesome, man. Where did you get it at?
I made it.
Really?
Yeah, look, this one is different. It's got twin fan jets, but it's the same concept. While the water's pumping, I don't have this one hooked up. You flip this back and go right in the squeegee. You see, this channel is just like the one, where is it at? Just like the one you got. What I did was I added Velcro to here. You could do it too. I can show you how, or I could build one for you. And then I added felt. I went to the hobby store, got felt, and I sewed it on top of a pad. And there you have it, your multifunction tool.
Wow.
Yeah.
Looks like you got a plan. You know,
Yeah, man, I love it, man.
if you make that into an invention, you can be a millionaire.
Well, you know,
Congratulations, man.
Yeah.
You're good. That's great. I'm happy for you.
yeah, man. So if you ever want to upgrade your stuff, man, let me know. I'll help you out.
I need your phone number.
Yeah, I'll give you my phone number before I leave.
Okay. Oh, that's awesome, man.
Yeah. I'm a one-man band right here. Everything is coming out the squeegee because that's less tools I gotta carry. You feel me?
Yeah.
I don't like walking with a whole bunch of crap. I see guys on YouTube, they got all this shit around, excuse my friends,
Yeah.
they got all this crap around their waist like they're ready to go to war. And you know what I mean? And it's like, why do you need all that? You go to the same job all the time. You know what you need to complete the job.
What's your phone number?
Yeah, Marcus, 856.
I think he was just livid.
Oh, beautiful.